Afternoon YouTube, this is just a little update regarding the videos I did on the rear disc brake assembly and rotors. You might recall, if you've watched that video, I replaced the rear rotors and the calipers, but I used the existing rear pads because they'd only done a few miles, and to the eye they looked absolutely fine. I fitted them back. I took the car for the MOT last week. It passed, it did its brake test and it passed with flying colours. But when I got back and I got to look at just looked at the wheels, just out of curiosity, I could see a wear line or a wear mark. It wasn't a line, it hasn't done enough mileage to be a wear mark, but there was a slight differential wear line all the way around the rim, inner and outer of the disc. Both sides were the same, just different positions really. So I thought, that's it, I've got to change the pads before I do any further. I did about 14 miles last week when I had it MOT'd, so no damage has been done, but a foolish thing to think I could get away with using the old pads on new rotors. Whatever you do, don't do it. Your pads will destroy them. And once they do start to wear the discs to suit themselves, then every time you change your pads thereafter, they're just going to bite on a very lower percentage of the pad, which is going to in effect reduce your braking ability. So new discs, new pads. Goes without saying. I was a muppet for doing it in the first place, but I just didn't have any at hand and I had to get it ready for the ticket. But still, we got it through and I've now changed them. I fitted Techstar, which were on it already. The part number for those is 2404901 if you require that. Pretty good pad. You know, people say they're kind of original manufacturer's spec. I don't honestly know. I've seen a lot of people with Porsches who use them. They were on it already, so I've refitted them. Job done, and now hopefully when I take it out next week, I will get to see even wear on my discs. Anyway, take care. Thanks for watching. Remember, new discs, new pads. Bye for now. And this is what I'm talking about. The pads that I fitted were absolutely almost brand new. They'd done absolutely nothing, about 80 miles on the old rotors. Now, I've opted to run the same pads because I didn't have any others to hand on the new rotors, and I ran it to the MOT. It actually passed the brake tests without any problems whatsoever, but that's what it's done already. You can see the difference between here and there, and a little bit there. There's no groove there. Like I say, it's done 14 miles on these old pads. So I've opted to change them, and I'm going to put Techstars in it. They're already fitted. Great pad, reasonably priced, does the job. So that's why I don't recommend you ever fit old pads to new discs, no matter how little work they've done, because they'll always have a few little grooves or scrapes in them. I half knew it in the back of my mind, and I knew it was a foolish thing to do, but I had to get it to the MOT. But I'm going to change them right away before we do any mileage, which won't hurt the discs in the long run. So let's get them changed.